Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's back to school season, and that means I'm going to share with you guys some great apps for the iPad that could help you during your new school season that I wish I had when I was in college. So let's begin. So the first app is Lightroom. So Lightroom is an awesome app that I use every single day whenever I take photos on my iPhone or on my camera, and I edit my photos there before I upload them to my personal portfolio or to Instagram as well. And so yes, Lightroom is part of the Adobe suite. So if you buy, or I mean subscribe to the Photoshop one, you'll get Lightroom as well, which is really great because Lightroom is actually really great, a great application, and it's just a great powerful editing tool, and it is awesome. So Lightroom, of course, if you're going to be taking photography or sort of graphic design course in college, then Lightroom is going to be a lifesaver for you. Next, we have the Reminders app. So this is the iOS 13 Reminders app that will be coming out in the fall, probably when Apple, of course, releases the public version of iOS 13. And with this Reminders app, of course, it's going to be so much helpful for you guys because you'll just be able to easily remember a course. It's getting a new update, of course, so it looks way different. It's getting the love it needs. It's getting much more powerful features as well. But I used a course to remind me about everything that I need to be reminded about. So yes, having the new update is just really great in iOS 13. And of course, the Reminders app is really useful because if you're an Apple person in college, then it's going to be, of course, integrated for everything. So like the iPad, the iPhone, your Mac, all that stuff. So you'll always have that reminders feature available to you. Next we have is the Photo Affinity app. So Affinity is pretty much the Photoshop for the iPad, since Adobe Photoshop is not available yet on the iPad. Affinity is like an awesome editing tool for, like, if you're into like crazy Photoshop editing, then Affinity could pretty much do all that stuff on the iPad. Now, I haven't really gotten used to Affinity yet. I'm still learning, so that's why I can't do too much editing on the iPad when it comes to the Affinity app. But yes, it is an awesome app if you're going to be taking graphic design, photography as well. This app, of course, another app that will become a lifesaver for you because of how powerful it is, and it's on the iPad, so it's your portable way of just editing on the go or editing anywhere you can when you don't have maybe your computer that has Photoshop on it. Next, we have MindNod. So MindNod is a mind mapping application. So this will help you, of course, whenever you're writing a paper or you're doing a big project. It's just a great way just to mind map your topics of how you want to organize your paper or your project. So yeah, it's just a fantastic app that I'm using, of course, for my iPad OS review. So stay tuned for that next month. And so yeah, it's just an awesome app. And it's just a great way, of course, just to have everything organized. So like that you can always have it organized and know where you want to start from or what type of topics you want to talk about as well. Next and not least, we just have a nice game that I love on the iPad. I love playing it on the iPad. It's called Metro. So Metro is just an awesome, relaxing game. So when you're in college, of course, you're gonna be stressed out and everything. You're gonna wanna just relax, chill for a little while, and maybe stay away from your homework just for maybe 30 minutes or so, and just open up Metro because it is a super chill game, and I just like it because the whole point of this game is just to connect. Connect your train stations and just have your train station working fine, your train network working fine the whole time without having any problems. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the top iPad apps that will help you in college. There's other great, fantastic iPad apps that I didn't check out, of course, for you guys, but these are the ones that I would have wanted to use, for the programs that I was taking in college, and the apps that I wish existed at the time. But now they're here, they're available, and I think you guys will really like them, so go check them out. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend you guys do, and I will see you guys later. Peace.